Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you will be happy, healthy, and strong at your home. We are reading chapter 2. The name of this chapter is Input Process Output Devices. Okay? In the previous class, we had read both two we had read content input devices. Today we will read about process and output devices. Okay? Today we will read about process and output devices. Let us start. Let us start process device. CPU means Central Processing Unit. CPU means Central Processing Unit. Is the processing device of a computer. What is this? CPU. It is processing device of. Okay. What is CPU? CPU is the processing device of a computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the most important part of computer. It is a processing device of a computer. It is present inside the CPU box. Okay, what it is present inside the CPU box, and as you have seen CPU in your lab, where CPU present? CPU present inside the CPU box. CPU box. Okay, CPU present inside the CPU box. It does all the calculation of computer. What it does? It does all. It does all the calculation. Okay. CPU does all the calculation of a computer. It also controls all devices. It also controls all devices. It also controls all devices, such as monitor, keyboard and mouse. Okay? It also controls all devices such as monitor, key, mouse, printer. All devices which are connected to computer is controlled by CPU. Are controlled by CPU. Okay? The CPU consists of 3 units. The CPU consists of 3 units. Then CU, MU and AL. 3 units of CPU are CU, MU and AL. CU means control unit, MU means memory unit, and ALU means arithmetic and logic. Okay. Okay, so what is CPU? CPU means central processing unit. CPU means central processing unit. CPU means central processing unit. Okay, it is a processing device. It present inside the CPU box. It does all the calculation. It does all the calculation such as arithmetic and logic. Arithmetic is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all types of calculations. Logic means greater, smaller, equal to, all types of calculation. It does all types of calculation. It also control all devices. Devices which are connected to CPU are controlled by devices which are connected to CPU such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, all types of devices are controlled by CPU. Okay. There are three units of CPU. CU means control unit, MU means memory unit, ALU means arithmetic logic unit. When we give input, when we enter data through input device, it goes to CPU. It goes to CPU, and then CPU process the data and give result as output with the help of output devices. Okay, we get data through output devices. Okay, write down this in your note. Now we will read about output device. What is output device? An output device is that component of computer hardware that communicates the result of data, that communicates the result of data, that communicates the result of data that is processed by computer and converts the digital information into the easily read, understood by humans. Okay, it gives result. It gives result after processing of data. We can see result on different types of output devices such as VDU, printer, speaker, Okay, what are these? These are output devices. Okay, first we will talk about VDU. VDU means visual display. VDU means visual display. Okay, VDU means visual display unit. Okay, what is this? This is input device. It is similar to television and is also known as monitor. It is also known as monitor. Okay, VDU stands for visual display unit. it is similar to television, and it is also known as monitor. Okay, it can display both text and graphics. It can display both text and graphics. Okay, it can display both text and graphics. The output seen on the video called soft copy. The output seen on video is called soft copy. Okay, we get output on video is soft copy. Okay, monitor are available in different sizes and in different colors. Okay, some sizes of monitor are 70 inches, 90 inches, 21 inches, and so many more. Okay, some sizes of monitors available today are 70 inches, 19 inches, 21. Okay, we can classify the monitor on the basis of color in monochrome or color. Monochrome or color CRT. Monochrome or color CRT. Okay, monochrome or color CRT. Color LED. What? Color LED and color LCD and color LCD. Okay, so on the basis of color we can classify the monitor into monochrome or color CRT, color LED and color LCD, light emitting diode and light crystal display. Okay, we can classify monitor into three groups on the basis of color. Okay, so video stand for visual display unit. Video is similar to TV. We call it monitors. It displays all types of text and graphic. The output which we get from video is called soft copy. Video are of different sizes such as 20 inches, 90 inches, and 21, 70 inch, 90 inch and 21 inch. On the basis of color we can classify video in three groups: monochrome, color CRT, or color LED and color LCD. Okay, now we will see next output device, printer. Printer is output device. It is used to printing on paper or other material. It is used for printing on paper or other material. Okay, printing is an output device. It is used for printing on a paper or other material device. on other material. Okay, it is used for printing on the paper or other material. Okay, the printed or permanent copy of the output is called hard copy. Okay, hard copy. What I say? The printed or permanent copy of the output is called hard copy. Okay. There are some types of printer which are used in these days are dot matrix, inkjet printer and laser printer. Some examples of printers are dot matrix printer, dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and inkjet printer and laser printer. Okay, so what is printer? Printer is an output device. It is used for printing on paper, or other material. We get hard copy in the form of printing. Some examples of printers are some examples of types of printers are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser. Okay, these are types of printers. Now we will read about speaker. Okay, speaker is output device. Speaker is output device. Okay, it is used to get audio output. It is used to get audio. Okay, it is used to get audio output. It is used to listen music and other sound form of the computer. It is used to listen music and other sound format. Okay, when we see any movie, listen music, we use speaker to listen sound. Okay, so this is your chapter, input, process or output devices. This chapter is completed. Now you have homework. Do question answer of chapter 2 and send question answer on WhatsApp group of class. Okay, your homework to do question answer chapter. Okay.